What an atmospheric day. Wind. Yes, it's just like being by the coast. Wind in the willows and pine trees. We've got Scotch pine there. We've also got here, surrounded by trees. Luckily, so we're sheltered here. He's gone for the muck spreader, and the tractor's stopped halfway. So no problem. There's no muck to move, spread, and bar the paddocks off. Probably move a lot of these down. Hello folks. Hiya. Everyone alright? Hi Sam. Happy fire. See your dad. Hello mate. Alright man. Scratch your back. Some of the roughness off. Ellerbeck Freedom this. Got young Dallas. You all look me tatty mess, but it's your age, isn't it, Brazil? It's just your age. Can't see anyway, it's fair up. Aztec. He's a fantastic horse. Winterman. Can't see a thing. Presumably there's something there. That's my bonny Fabian. I do like Fabian. Hello you. Oh, out of the way. Look at Fabian. Hello son. Good man. Little Winterman. I used to call him Little Man because he was such a little foal. He's actually quite tall now. Get him there. Ocean. Starlit Ocean, Ellerbeck Starlit Ocean, classic champagne for Billy. Wants a one-way ticket really. Something to get into, she's in it, aren't you? That's right, you're in it because you're a pet. Look at that, look at the trees. Sky, so blue. I'm going to go and look for the dog. He doesn't like me talking to the horses. Prairie. Little cherry babes. Oh, there's the dog. Here, boss. Boss, boss, boss. Oi, come here. Good lad. Hello. Gosh, look what the wind's doing. It's pulling all the blinking mess out. Here, boss. When it stops being windy. Just been checking batteries. Got the power up and running over everything. Mineral block here. They like the mineral blocks. You get some what a difference they make. Fantastic. Right. But this won't upload. Never mind. I think that's all I can do for now. muck out tomorrow, take all that out. Well, if he gets back with the muck spreader, the tractor. He maybe will, he maybe won't. It'll get done. Here we go. Come on, dog. Boss. Suppose this is a second defence should they go through any fences. Let's look at the trees. Got in, he knows the drill. There we go, mate.